Hello and welcome to Sailing Impulsive. We are just getting organised now so we can leave Kavieng. We just got to go ashore once more to get a couple of groceries and then we'll be on our way. I'm just rigging up a couple of fishing lines because we got told that there's plenty of fish the way we're going, so yeah. We got told that there will be plenty of tuna the way that we'll be going, and tuna seem to really love this lure, so I think we'll be using this one. Here we go. Just finishing up the second fishing line, which is the hand line, and that is now ready to be used. We are just getting ready to head over to Kavieng now real quick. Finished in Kavieng now and we are on our way back to the tender. On our way back to Impulsive, we stopped by our buddy boat Lola to then get picked up by a longboat to get taken over to the resort to say goodbye to the owners who we have got to know very well. This is Rocky. He's a hornbill, and any spare moment he has in his day, he absolutely loves to annoy the dogs, like Vanilla here, for example. We are just getting the tender aid to pull it up on the davits, and it started raining. that is what happens when you stay in one place for 6 weeks. You get to have a lot of growth on your anchor chain. We've just got to watch this reef here. There's a channel just here. And we're going to go out where sailing yacht Lola went out. We're up. The reef is just here. And we are now exiting through the spot where Lola went through. Okay, we are now underway. We haven't got the sails out yet, but if the wind picks up, we'll definitely pull them out. But the channel that we're going out now to get to the outside, it's about 30 miles long, I believe. So it's going to take a little while for us to get out there. But yeah. I'm going to put this lucky lure to the test.
A few moments later.
I think that's it, good. Now it's time to pull this one out as well. Okay, I'm just letting out the second fishing line now. The hand line. There we go. When we get out of the channel, we'll probably pull the sails out if there's enough wind. The scenery here is just stunning. It's very beautiful. That's the entrance just there. Well, I suppose exit for us. We are very close to exiting the channel and are now entering the Bismarck Sea. Exited the channel. We are just pulling the head sail out now. Okay, there we go. The head sail is giving us an extra 1.5 to 2 knots of speed, and so we're now going about 7.5 knots. We are now putting the mainsail up. Going 9 knots. Wow. We just had to furl the head sail because the wind is more turning around to our nose, so we just started to motor into it a bit so then we can pull it back out again shortly. But we've still got a reef in the main. we will start our night shift shortly, so I'll come back in the morning. My night shift has now started. There's been a couple of lights flashing at us from fishing boats just to probably let us know that they're there, and so we just got to keep a good eye out and make sure we're not going to hit anyone. It's currently 5:30 in the morning and we've come about 90 miles, so that means we've got about 60 to go to get to Kokopo. So yeah. So to get a better idea, this is the island of Kavieng, and this is all new islands, and that's us here, and that is Kokopo there. So we've got about 60 miles to go. It's currently 9 o'clock in the morning and we've got a reef in the mainsail, and we actually even had a marlin go for our fishing line. We saw its little fin poke up on the surface and then we saw it quickly spin around and go straight for our fishing line, but luckily we pulled it in just in time so we didn't catch it. But yeah, it's been spitting all morning. It's quite overcast today. We've got about 40 miles left until we get to Kokopo, so might arrive there at about 4 or 5 in the afternoon. So yeah, there's a little island just on the edge here. It's currently 11 o'clock and the sun has finally come out, but we are heading straight into the wind, so the head sail is no use to us, but we have still got a reef in the mainsail, but it's not really doing much. But yeah. The water is such a beautiful blue colour. Of us, that's New Britain, so, and we've got about 23 miles left to go until we get to Kokopo, so we're pretty much almost there. Yeah. So this is Kokopo here, and we are here. So we are just coming around outside of New Britain now. Okay, we just pulled the head sail out. It's putting in an extra knot and a half, so that's pretty good. There's a bit of current against us, so it's not as fast as what we'd hoped for, but that's all right. We are healing quite a lot. It is currently 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's taking us a lot longer than we anticipated to get here because we've been fighting a lot of current coming along, and we've got about 15 miles left until we get there. Not too sure how long it'll take us to get there because we're still fighting a fair bit of current. But yeah, that's a volcano up there, which is pretty crazy. Yeah. We've still got the mainsail up, but we had to furl the headsail in because we're going a bit more head-on to wind now. Here is also just stunning. It's incredible. We've got about 12 miles left to go until we get to Kokopo, and we're probably going to be arriving there at dark. Yeah, so right now we're just trying to soak up every little bit of scenery before the light goes away. There's not really any sun at the moment, but before it comes night time anyway. We're just pulling the mainsail down now. That is Kokopo, directly in front of us. It's about 4 miles away, and that is Rebel Harbour in there. So we'll probably be arriving in Kokopo on dusk. We are just coming into Kokopo now, and there's like a bunch of logs in the water that are like anchored to the ground or something. So we really got to look out for them. We are just about to anchor up now. Thank you for watching Sailing Impulsive. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to stay tuned for next week's video as we explore Kokopo and Rebel and all of their history. Bye!